Hello everybody, Franknificent here, and today I have a Pikachu Power theme deck, and I've seen a video of an unboxing of this, and apparently some of the cards have, I think it's original art from, like, the 90s on them, and so some of these cards are going to be what I already have on them, like the art that I have. So I'm going to go ahead and open this. Alright, and apparently this is a Leaf and Lightning type deck. So it should be pretty interesting to see which ones are in here. Alright, so with this, it gives you a bunch of stuff. It gives you a playing mat, damage counters, let's see, just some X and Y evolution things that you can get in here, an online code, and we did get a shiny Chansey coin. That's pretty dang cool. And then, of course, the 60 cards, but the art for Pikachu on this looks really good. And then this is the art for a really rare Pokemon, like a really rare Pikachu, except the really rare one is not, it isn't a holo card. So it knows Gnaw and Thunder Jolt. But yeah, other than that, let's get right into it. So I'm just going to go ahead and open this. And let's see what we get. We got a Lightning Energy, Lightning Energy, Lightning Energy, another Lightning Energy, and we get a Magneton. Sweet. I actually don't know if I have a Magneton, so that'll be good to add to the collection. Another Lightning Energy. Sweet, a Metapod. A Magnemite. And a lot of these have really old artwork. So I have some of these, except they're from the 90s. Leaf Energy, Professor's Letter. Beedrill with really old artwork. A Weedle. I actually have a Weedle that has that same artwork, except it's from, here, let me see, it is from, oh gosh, this one's an oldie. This is actually one of the ones that says, same artwork, except this one's newer. And this one says, don't know if it'll focus. Will it focus? But, it says, instead of just 1995, 96, and 98, it actually says 99, which makes it worth a lot more money in the long run. But yeah, let's get right back into this. So then after Weedle, we have another Lightning Energy, Pokemon Center Lady, Caterpie with really old art, Professor Oak's Hint, Leaf Energy, oh, an Electabuzz, looks like really old artwork, a Kakuna, a Lightning Energy, Tierno, a Voltorb, I really like the neon around there, a non-holo Pikachu, Leaf Energy, Pokeball, a Raichu. That is sweet. Yeah, that is really old. He has a lot longer legs, I think, than the newer one. Pokemon Fan Club, Leaf Energy, a Tangela. I also have a Tangela that says it's from 99. Magnemite, that's sweet. Another Kakuna, a Doduo, a Metapod, another Weedle, a Leaf Energy and Evo Soda, another Caterpie, a Trainer. Actually, I have a few of these from the 90s, and then a Leaf Energy, another Voltorb, another Kakuna, Lightning Energy, Professor's Letter, Beedrill, another Weedle, Leaf Energy, Energy Retrieval, another Raichu. Wow, that is awesome. Revive, Leaf Energy. I actually have a Tangela that says 99. Don't know if I said that already. Magnemite, Lightning Energy, another Doduo, an Electabuzz, another non-holo Pikachu. That is sweet. Leaf Energy, Tierno, and a Caterpie. But yeah, that does it for this opening. So we got this Pikachu. It looks absolutely amazing. I definitely like the holo, but you can't really see the forest in the background too well. I mean, you can see it, but not perfect. But yeah, and then got this coin, the evolutions that you can get in there, the damage counters, and the mat, which is pretty good. And I actually got this one for pretty cheap. So soon enough I'm going to be doing a giveaway for these online codes, and you guys can win one. I think I have like 3. I have one for this pack that I just opened, one for my 20-year anniversary, and then one for the Steam Siege pack that I did just a few days ago. And yeah, I'll be doing a giveaway for those. If you guys want to win, I'll let you know when I get enough cards for you guys to win. But yeah, that's probably going to be it. So please comment, like, and subscribe. Definitely subscribe for more, but